What if we got the whole human story wrong? What if we misunderstood existence, intelligence, and life itself? What if we aren't advanced at all, but actually the most limited version of what came before? Think about it. Every civilization has its own beginning. Myths talk about powerful humans, a golden age, then a fall. Religions speak about Eden, the flood, and a reset. School gives us a completely different version. Movies give us another one. So which one is right? I decided to ignore all the noise and look at the evidence and the physics behind it. And suddenly, it made sense. Einstein showed that time and space are relative. A single day somewhere else in the universe could be 50,000 years for us. Most of the universe is made of invisible energy. Only a tiny part is matter. Max Planck, the father of quantum physics, said something interesting. He believed consciousness comes first, and matter comes after. If that's true, then the body is only the tool, not the origin. We also know energy doesn't disappear. It changes form. So when the body dies, we already know what happens to it. But what about consciousness? Where does the information go? Physics says information can't be destroyed, even in a black hole. So why do we think our memories vanish? Maybe consciousness is part of a universal field, something non-local, everywhere at once. If that's the case, then the idea of this soul isn't so strange. It's just another form of energy. And if life can exist here in a physical body, what stops life from existing somewhere else in a form we can't see? We also forget how limited our senses are. Humans see less than 1% of the electromagnetic spectrum. We don't see X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet, infrared, radio waves, microwaves. Almost all the light in the universe is invisible to us. So if life exists in forms outside our tiny range of perception, we simply wouldn't see it. We wouldn't detect it. We wouldn't even know it's there. If intelligent beings existed in frequencies we can't sense, they could be right next to us and we'd have no idea. So are we really the highest form of intelligence, or just the most limited one? Unaware of what reality actually contains. If frequency shapes matter, then life itself may depend on matching the conditions of a place. Humans exist here because our biology fits Earth's electromagnetic and gravitational environment. A different frequency, a different gravity, a different spectrum of light and life that would take a completely different form. Just tuned to a different reality. This means intelligent life and other forms of consciousness might be separated from us not by distance, but by frequency. Like radio stations playing at the same time, but we only hear the one our receiver is tuned to. And this is the part people forget. Real human history isn't written in books. It's written into the fabric of space and time itself. Everything we do leaves an imprint on the field around us. If we could read that field, if we could see the frequency behind events, we wouldn't just understand history. We could literally see the light of every life that ever existed. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.